Hi, I'm James Alesbury. I'm a director here at HWB Accountants. One of my responsibilities is to oversee our payroll bureau, having worked in the sector for over 20 years. Payroll's become more and more complicated in recent years with the introduction of the employment allowance, apprenticeship levy, auto-enrolment and more recently the job retention scheme. Therefore, maintaining knowledge for a business-critical function such as payroll is vitally important for a number of reasons. To keep your employees productive and happy within your organisation, ensuring HMRC and the pension regulator are kept at date and the submissions to them are correct and complete, and avoid missing out on available tax reliefs. Having accurate employee data within your payroll and HR system is key to being able to pay individuals correctly. For example, with the introduction of relief for employers' national insurance for the under 21-year-olds and apprenticeships, having date of birth correct is essential. With employee portals now commonplace, this is a great way to continuously audit your personal information directly with the employee. Don't underestimate the importance of payroll accuracy. You don't want employees wasting time with payroll queries which will affect morale, or HMRC chasing you for PAYE underpayments. Put robust processes in place to check and improve internal systems. We periodically review our internal processes to minimise the risk and ensure payroll specialists are kept up to speed with legislation. When calculating your PAYE liability, check that employment allowance has been claimed if you're eligible, apprenticeship levy calculated correctly, and any statutory recoveries included and offset. Also remember the full payment submission or the FPS will give HMRC the basic tax and national insurance liability. You'll need to submit an employer payment summary and EPS for the adjustments, such as statutory recoveries or apprenticeship levy. Employment allowance as well should be claimed at the beginning of each tax year or when you become eligible throughout that tax year. Pensions or auto-enrolment is something that causes confusion all the time, and I suggest that companies review their processes to ensure that they're compliant. Unless you're contractually enrolling your staff, you need to be doing the workforce assessments every pay period before you put them into your chosen qualifying pension scheme. There's also statutory letters that must be supplied to staff, telling them what auto-enrolment is and how it affects them. And this is a completely separate letter to the joining letter that you receive from the pension provider. Pension certification should also be obtained where you're not using Set 4 or Tier 4, which is qualifying earnings, for pensionable earnings, and certificates can run for up to 18 months. This is just a few areas that we see issues with the pension schemes. We have a team of payroll specialists that are on hand to support your business, whether that be fully outsourcing payroll or remote support.